Hello everybody and welcome to the Bosh kitchen.
Today we're cooking our speedy mac and cheese. This is the ultimate mac and cheese. Creamy, delicious, full of umami and topped with gorgeous crispy breadcrumbs.
It's a super speedy recipe from our super speedy book, this one. Now, in order to make a mac and cheese, you need to make a fantastic sauce. And to start with, we're gonna use oat milk. Pour your plant-based milk into your saucepan.
Now we're going to use that milk to boil and blanch our cashews. That's going to soften them and make them really easy to blend into a cashew cream sauce.
Such an easy, great technique that makes a fantastic creamy sauce.
Now, a really important point is to let that cool. You want that liquid to cool down, you want those cashews to cool a little bit to room temperature before we add to our blender. Bear in mind that all blenders are different, so do read your manufacturer's instructions to check whether your blender can handle warm liquids.
So now we've got to blend up our fantastic cashew plant-based milk. Oh, it's going to make such a creamy mac and cheese. Can't wait to show you this. Right, so that is our cashew milk done.
Now we're going to get on with the rest of the mac and cheese.
Warm some olive oil in a medium saucepan. Then add a little bit of garlic for some wonderful flavour. Give that a stir, but make sure that you don't burn it. It's really important that you don't burn that. Then add a little bit of plain flour in there, and here we're making a roux.
Now that is going to be a nice, thick, creamy sauce. And of course, to that roux, we're going to add that blended cashew mix. But what we're going to do is we're going to add that slowly in little batches, making sure it's all stirred together because you don't want lumpy bits in there.
Check this out. You just keep on giving it a stir, just edging it to where you want it to be. Look at how creamy that is. It's perfect.
That is a super creamy sauce. Now we're going to start adding flavour and then some pasta.
So nutritional yeast and vegan cheese and of course some Dijon mustard. Just make this taste amazing, but make sure you use your favourite vegan cheese.
My favourite touch here is that mustard. It adds such a nice tang to this dish. I would say that's the secret ingredient.
Yeah, I completely agree. And here's your cooked macaroni. It's cooked perfectly for around about 8 minutes.
You could use any pasta if you haven't got mac, but this stuff is traditional, so why not do that?
Look how good that looks. It is so, so good. I mean, look, it's the perfect texture. I just want to eat that right now. We've got some breadcrumbs, we've got some black pepper, we've got some salt, and look at that. Crispy, crispy, crispy.
So that's going to give us that gorgeous texture. And to make this a really quick recipe, we're actually just going to sprinkle that on top. We've already toasted it. There's no need to pop this under the grill. You could if you want to finish it off with a touch of grill if you've got a heat-proof pan. But you know what? I would eat that just like that.
Exactly, and here it is. It looks phenomenal. It looks amazing. We've got that customary and very important green leafy salad in the bowl there. Oh, come on.
Just to make you think like you're doing something healthy, when really you're eating a giant bowl of delicious mac and cheese. That is a truly, truly beautiful thing to behold. It's an even better thing to taste. We hope you love this recipe as much as we do.
Oh, we love it, and we love cooking for you guys, so do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, and loads more content's coming your way real soon.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.